I've been playing around on the Booking.com extranet, trying to see if there's a way where we can encourage people to book direct instead of through Booking.com. And I found two places where you can explicitly say, go to our website where you'll get the best prices. So the first one is in the Your Profile bit. I'll put screenshots of this in the comments, but the first one is in the Your Profile bit. In the About You, you can literally put in capital letters, the best prices will be found directly on our website. The other place, this is where I'm surprised, is in the reviews. So I was playing around with inserting certain words, and I knew that in the guidelines it does say you can't send anyone to your website, you can't offer a discount for returning guests. I just thought I would try it anyway and see what would happen. So I tried 3 or 4 different ones with slightly different phrases, and just to see what would get through and what wouldn't. 3 out of the 4 got approved, and then I show on the site. I'll put a screenshot on there. So I thought, right, I'll push it a bit more, and I try to be even more explicit. And the one I've actually got away with is, thanks so much for taking the time to leave a review. Don't forget, you can always get the cheapest prices on any future stays with us by booking direct at Central Belfast Apartments. We hope to welcome you back soon. Now that's pretty blatant. I really didn't think I'd get away with that, but I have. So I don't know if this is something that sneaked through their algorithm or it's something that you can just get away with all the time. But yeah, it seems pretty good at the minute. So now I'm going to go and reply to all the reviews with that. And hopefully, my thought process in that is, before anyone books on Booking.com, they're bound to read reviews. And if they can read a review and see my response saying, go to the website and you get a better price, hopefully they'll go to the website and book direct, because it is going to be cheaper. So yeah, I'll post the screenshots in the comments, and yeah, let me know if it works for you, or if you do something similar, or if there's anything else I've missed. Yep, bye.